Now you are the Khadus. Now you take this and pass on this. I'm very, very happy to be here, guys.
Thank you so much.
Very happy. This is a very, very happy day of my life.
Thanks, Raju. A very good evening to everyone. So Raju's, very clearly sort of defined why the film is called Sala Khadus, and we've each invited the person that we consider to be the Sala Khadus in our lives here today, just to let you know a little bit more about why this title for this film. From the time that we all at UTV saw this movie, we just fell in love with it completely. It's such an inspirational, beautiful tale about a relationship between a coach and his student. And in the course of time through which the student and the coach begin to understand each other, they have a pretty tumultuous relationship, and you'll see that in the trailer that follows. But I think we've all had those relationships with certain people in our lives who've been extremely frustrating for us at times, are people who've driven us in ways that we never thought we'd be driven, people who've inspired us and at the same time frustrated us, but finally made us better people. The person in my life really that I consider to be my Sala Khadus lives up to his name completely when it comes to the people who work with him. His name is Ronnie Screwvala. And from the time that I was, I think 17, 18 years old, and I'd done a summer internship at UTV way back then, I'd heard legends of how, you either last the first 3 days with Ronnie, or then you can last a lifetime. But if you last the first 3 days, then you're golden. And I was a summer intern, and he was a CEO of the company, so it was, I was not able to spend that much time with him at that point. But I'd see this person coming into the office at 3 a.m, burning the midnight oil. And I was an intern, so obviously I was really enthusiastic, and I'd be there. But someone who's just completely obsessed with his work. And I thought that, I'd love to work with this person at some point of time. There have been many months in those first few months of working with him that I regretted that deeply. But many years later, I joined UTV, and at that point, he had a nickname that one of our colleagues had coined, and it was BBW. And that stood for Big Bad Wolf. So when he'd be passing by, this person would say, "Hey guys, BBW's in the corridor." And we were like, I was like, have I gone back to grade school? Like what is this company I've joined? They call their boss the Big Bad Wolf. But I soon realized that they were quite true. It was really apt. So, in those first few months of working with him, because he's an individual who's completely obsessed with his work and is obsessed with getting his company and getting his people to be the best that they can be. And there are times in that process which can be quite frustrating for the people working with him. And then if you spend many years with him, you realize that actually you wouldn't have wanted it any other way. One more incident I'll tell you about. I was at coffee with a few of my friends at that time, in those early days when I'd be just, I had been driven to a point of just feeling like, why have I even entered this industry? And I was telling them about the Sala Khadus in my life. And I went to the loo, and one of my friends actually changed his number on my phone to say Ronnie.
Oh.
And he sent me a message saying, "Where the hell are you? We're waiting for you in the office." And I actually left the coffee shop, and then he had to call me back. So it was that level of obsession in terms of wanting to do things. But I'm so glad that, he was someone who's, inspired me all my life, and is someone I look up to tremendously. And I'd like to call Ronnie here up on stage.
Absolutely. Ronnie.
Wow. Okay. This Big Bad Wolf I'm hearing for the first time. I have to say, I've never heard this Big Bad Wolf before. Screwwala ka pata bahut. There's so much you can do with the Screwwala surname that then to add Wolf to that becomes a whole new ball game. But really, Maddie, congratulations on the movie. From whatever little I've heard about it, I think it's going to live up to its name completely. And I think we're here to celebrate that. And we're here to really give Sala Khadus, and I know if that's what it makes me and whoever's your Sala Khadus, and I don't want to steal the thunder for that. So wish you all the very best. Thank you, and thanks for all the anecdotes.
Something about him? About your prodigy? That's what we want to hear.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, you?
Okay, before we come to Maddie's Sala Khadus, I would like to call my Sala Khadus, who is the Sala Khadus, I think. And please, sir, we want you on stage.
सी फॉर रॉनी को तो खड़ूस बोलेंगे चलेगा, साला खड़ूस इसके लिए ठीक नहीं है. इंग्लिश है, मैंने कैसा बोलते थे. साला खड़ूस तो अपन ही है एकदम. किधर है डंडा मेरा यार? मैं तो डंडा ले गया. ये लेके मैं इनको पढ़ाता हूँ. So I'm very, very happy to be here. And for a साला खड़ूस, there can't be a happier day कि जब जिसको जो उसको साला खड़ूस बोलता है, साला वो खुद खड़ूस बन जाए. अब ये इनका खड़ूस बनेगा. इसका लड़का भी यहाँ कहीं वीर बैठा हुआ, अब ये खड़ूस है next. So as his साला खड़ूस, I'm giving him this little thing to fix other people. So from now, now you are the khadus. Now you take this and pass on this. I'm very, very happy to be here, guys.
Thank you so much.
Very happy. This is a very, very happy day of my life.
Thank you, sir.
Very happy. ठीक है, गाली गलौज तो कर नहीं सकते, आप लोग काट लेंगे, लेकिन हम लोग प्राइवेट में बहुत करते हैं. Thank you. Great.
Now, Maddie, we'd like to know something about the film and about your Sala Kadus.